How to turn off or on pin reminder. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to manage your pin reminder. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, you should go to your Signal application on your phone. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Now click on the first option, which is account, and now click on the second option. You have pin reminder. You'll be asked list over time. So click on it, and now you should confirm your Signal pin. That make sure your memories or securely store your pin as it can't be recovered. So for example, let's confirm our pin, and now click on turn off, and this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.